In this video, I will show you how to apply for Amazon jobs online. So wherever you're from, what you want to do first is just open up a browser and search for Amazon job application. When you do that, you will find a link right here that says hiring.amazon.com. Now if you're from a different country, it could be a slightly different link, but just find an official Amazon link that says that they are hiring basically. Then from there, go and click on search jobs near you. And then it will ask for your zip code or city, so just gonna enter where you live. Then it will ask how many hours a week do you want to work, so between 0 and 40. Then which times work best for you. Now the more you leave open, the more available jobs there will generally be. So I'm just gonna select all of these right here and then click next. Then how long are you planning to work at Amazon? Now they most likely prefer a regular who will work there more than 3 months, but if you are going to be less than that, you can also select that. You can also select both of them. And then when can you start working? As soon as possible, 1 to 2 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks, or after 3 weeks, and then click done. Then if there are any available jobs, you will see it right here, but at this moment you can see there are no jobs available that match my search. Now what you can also do is go to job opportunities and then here select the exact job that you're looking for, such as customer service or maybe delivery station associate, whatever you want to do. So let's say I want to be delivery station associate. Then here you can click on that specific job near you, and then if there are any, you will see them. So for example, here you have a few of them. So let's say I want to work this one, then you can go and click on it. And then what you can do is here under work shift, just click on select one, and then you can see the shifts that they have. So the flexible one, for example here, and then go and click apply. And then from there, it will take you to the application itself. So now just go through these steps. So first it will just ask you to log in, but if you don't have an Amazon Jobs account, just go and sign up first, and then they will ask some information about yourself and just go through that process. And after doing that, they will contact you and maybe you need to go into an interview, but that is how you can apply for an Amazon job online. So now you know how to apply for Amazon jobs online. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.